kuona video iri kubuda iyi. KwaMutare kwangofuma kwakananikwa hembe nenjuzu mutaundi pamagetsi. Saka kanzuru iri kutobvisa kutaura kunoku. Ndo video yamuri kuona iyi, vanhu vese vakaungana. So njuzu yacho yabatwa yatoendeswa kuCentral. Zvaitika KwaMutare live show pachena. Nhasi muzuva ranhasi KwaMutare kwaonekwa hembe dzakananikwa patambo dzemagetsi muri mutaundi nenjuzu. Saka kanzuru iri kuzama kuda kubata hembe idzodzo. Vari kutadza kudzibvisa, hadzisi kupera pawaya. Vari kuti vakabvisa 1 dzoramba dzichingowanda. Hembe idzi dzananikwa nenjuzu KwaMutare ukoko. Njuzu yacho yatobatwa kutaura kunoku, but hembe hadzisi kupera pawaya. Vari kuti vakabvisa dzoramba dzichiwanda. Mukatarisa kwekutanga uku vatombobvisa ende dzoramba dzichingowanda. Ndo zviri kutoitika KwaMutare live show pachena. Yo man.
Welcome back to Nyasha TV, everyone. We've just finished watching the incredible footage of the Mutare Town Council's attempts to remove those mysterious clothes from the electric wire lines. What a sight! First off, let's talk about the sheer scale of this situation. It's one thing to hear about clothes magically multiplying, but seeing it with our own eyes is another experience entirely. The video showed the council workers diligently trying to take down the clothes, only for more to appear almost instantly. It's like something straight out of a movie. Now, let's discuss the mermaid angle. The idea that a mermaid could be behind this bizarre occurrence is both fascinating and perplexing. For many of us, mermaids are creatures of legend and folklore, not something you expect to encounter in real life. But the footage of the council struggling to remove the clothes, combined with the constant reappearance of new ones, makes you wonder if there's more to this story than meets the eye. One of the most striking moments in the video was seeing the expressions on the faces of the council workers. You could sense their frustration and bewilderment. It's clear that this isn't just a case of some elaborate prank. The persistence and rapid multiplication of the clothes defy any logical explanation. Let's also take a moment to appreciate the reactions of the local residents captured in the video. People were gathered, watching in disbelief, talking among themselves, and trying to make sense of it all. It's fascinating to see a community come together in the face of such an extraordinary event. And finally, the part about the mermaid being captured and taken to the Mutare Central Police adds another layer of intrigue to this already astonishing story. If true, this could be one of the most significant and strange events in recent history. What are your thoughts after watching that video?